Hi, I'm Robert Dailey, and this is Dailey Woodworks YouTube channel. I've got a really quick lean improvement that I've done to my shop. And this is one of the first ones I've spent what I'd call a significant amount of money on. I've spent money on casters, and all in all, I've spent about the same amount on casters as I spent on this. And that is an auto switch for my shop vac. This thing is awesome. Automatically turns on whenever it senses a draw from your tool, and then it runs for, what was that, 5-10 seconds after you're done using your tool to clear the lines. That saves me a lot of times. What I was doing is I had a power strip right here, so I'd have to manually flip it on and off before I use the saw. And you know, you get in production, it gets clanky, it gets hard to do. Your power strip falls down, you can't reach it easy, you accidentally turn the vacuum off there. Now it's quick, it's automatic. Now there's going to be somebody who complains about, oh, this is a dirty setup. Well, it's the first time I set it up, and whatever. I'm not going to burn down anything. So what I've got is I've got my table saw and miter saw coming into this. This will eventually be into a single one, but I was using my 3-prong because I had shop vac on the power strip, so I could use the switch on that. And interestingly enough, it doesn't create too much of a draw for the lights and laser to be on the miter saw. And so that runs into this. That's the shop vac going out, and it just automatically turns it on and off. This product is made by DGC Products Incorporated. You plug your vacuum in there, your tool here with the power strip to split as many tools as you want. That way, if you're running like a sander and stuff, you can just have the hose, switch out the hose real quick on your tool, and when you turn the sander on, it'll create enough draw to start sanding. So really awesome tool. They retail for about $36 on Amazon, but if you go to, you can go to Amazon warehouse deals or find it from another seller. And I actually got this for $20 used, or used open box or whatever. Works fine. So that's a way to get cheaper. I'm going to have a link to this in my description below. It will be an Amazon affiliate link, so I'll get a little kickback if you choose to buy it. This is a great product. It's one of those things of, why didn't I buy this sooner? It's saving so much time. It just makes my shop and dust collection enjoyable to use. And with more dust collection, the shop is more enjoyable to use. I'm not tripping over stuff as much. Just a great product to have. So check it out. There'll be a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time for more shop improvements.